Hi friends, today's recipe is Nigerian coconut rice, cooking beyond continent. Sorry for a late video because I've been busy with my work and finally I've got one nice recipe to share with you. 10 sausages cut into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. To prepare all the ingredients do take some time. It does take some time. One red bell pepper, one green bell pepper, and one yellow bell pepper. You also have to cut this into small pieces. So I've finally prepared everything. Now put 5 tablespoons of oil and put in the onions, all the bell peppers, and 2 pieces of bird's eye chili. So cook it very well till it's cooked, and then you put in the sausages and continue to stir in that pot. And today actually I'm cooking using my pressure cooker because I'm going to cook the rice in the pressure cooker. It's going to be easy and faster for me to do it, to prepare for my family. 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, two tablespoons of crayfish. I bought the crayfish and grind it. And stir together and allow it to mix together with all the spices. 500 milliliters of coconut milk. I'm using the one that is in the box. Stir it again and add a cup of water. I'm using 4 cups of Basmati rice, washed well. Yes, you add water right now. And do taste to see if the salt is enough. If salt is needed more, you can add right now. And allow the food to steam, the rice to be steamed for 10 minutes, and then I'm adding a little bit more, another tablespoon of crayfish, and stir it again into the rice and continue to cook for another 7 minutes. If you're using a normal pot, then it will be like 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, coconut rice is ready. Nigerian coconut rice served together. You can serve it with chicken or beef. So today I've served it with fried beef.